Xiaomi vacuum cleaner noisy problem. It is this one gets stuck in the middle, and then after I remove this inside, so it got a lot better. So it is very difficult to remove this one, cannot remove. And then even this one too, I cannot take off. But you can take off battery easily. You just follow instruction. So I think it's two screw, and then this easy get out. And there is four screw you need to loose inside, and this one too you need to get this. You need this to loose this one inside this, and this one is easy. It's going off. Actually, this one doesn't need to take off. This is a part I take off. So it's been good now.